I feel that Kaleidoscope is a great fit for me.
It helped me understand how to manage my time better.
In our knowledge-based economy, we have to be able to work in teams, and we're learning to do that at Kaleidoscope.
The project-based learning. I love to build, I love to make things, so projects, in my opinion, are like the best.
It is a very positive environment, that the students are all really supportive of each other, that they're all really engaged and motivated to be here.
My teachers are great.
I am so much more engaged with my students on a one-to-one basis than I ever was teaching in what was more of a traditional expected role.
I really like all my teachers. I mean, they really get all the students and they really get me.
I love going to Kaleidoscope Academy. It rocks.
Kaleidoscope Academy is an innovative and collaborative middle school located in Appleton, Wisconsin. The mission of Kaleidoscope Academy is to develop students who use higher-order thinking skills to produce beautiful, intellectual, and substantial products using a balance of fine arts and 21st century skills.
Kaleidoscope Academy was designed with the best research and best practices to meet the needs of our young adolescents in this 21st century. When we talk about 21st century skills, what we're really getting at are those higher order thinking skills.
If you teach a child how to problem solve, how to think outside that box, how to be creative, you can put them in any environment and they'll be successful because they'll know what they need to do.
Small learning communities with 2 teacher teams deliver instruction through inquiry-based activities and projects and personalized instruction to meet the individual needs of each student.
Our environment and approach is good for the average student, students with disabilities in terms of maybe a learning disability, as well as those highly gifted students, because we differentiate and personalize the learning through again, how we deliver instruction.
These small learning communities also foster and build relationships. Because students spend 2/3 of the day together in classes of 25 to 30 students, the classes become tight-knit and students look out for one another.
It also creates that small family setting for the students, and as a result we see very few bullying, discipline issues, because it's harder to tease and harass students that you get to know much better. And when you spend 2/3 of your day with a smaller group of students, you build those relationships.
Like the 8th grade class alone, it's like a happy family.
2/3 of each day is divided into large blocks of flexible time for the teams to work together, and teachers collaborate to arrange classes to accommodate longer science labs, for example. They act as facilitators of learning, designing creative activities that integrate the core subject areas and incorporate opportunities for student choice.
I really like how the project-based learning curriculum that the school uses brings in a bunch of different sources like math and history and science into a single project, and the students have to go out and research and bring that all together.
One of the projects where we were integrating all of our core subject areas was to invent a new product. We integrated science by creating the invention, doing the research part of it. The math brought in the surveys and the data. The communication arts, we brought in the writing piece along with the creating the advertising. And for the geography, we talked about the imports and exports and the products that they could use in their invention.
The other third of the day is set aside for exploratory and elective classes in a wide range of subject areas, emphasizing fine arts and technology.
I play saxophone in the band, I take graphic arts, and I also take Spanish.
I'm taking dance class, theater class, and I also take choir, orchestra, and French class. my electives, I chose Spanish, theater, dance, band, and choir.
Technology is used daily as a tool, like paper and pencil were used years ago. Students learn how to use various technologies or programs as a means of creating a final product that demonstrates their learning.
A lot of Kaleidoscope is technology based, and I also love technology, so that just really fits for me.
After school, I can just go on my computer and go onto the Kaleidoscope homepage, and I can see all the homework that I had that day.
Kaleidoscope successfully integrates technology and the fine arts with all the core subjects.
I'm very into the arts and technology, so this is a very good fit for me.
Kaleidoscope Academy is providing the opportunity for students to make their own choices, explore and develop their interests, and be better prepared for the challenges of high school and their future.
A child who is nurtured to question really is capable of doing anything, and we found that to be a big plus here is they nurtured the children to ask questions and to apply what they were learning in one subject into multiple places.
I would tell somebody who's considering coming to Kaleidoscope, it's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun.
I really love Kaleidoscope Academy. It's amazing.
Honestly, the beauty of this place is that it's not teacher teaching students. It's a communal learning environment where students learn from students, teachers learn from students, and students learn from teachers.
What I see in Kaleidoscope is these kids have that passion. They want to succeed, they want to learn, and they're excited about learning.
I think I'm more than ready for high school.
I really love Kaleidoscope Academy.
For more information on Kaleidoscope Academy, visit our website at www.kaleidoscopeacademy.org or contact the school office at 920-832-6294.